Important points to remember are that the Poco X2 or the Redmi K30 comes with P2i Water Resistant certification, which makes the device resistant against splashes only and is not totally submersible for long periods like on IP68 certified devices. And the SIM tray does have a rubber seal on it to help with the water resistance. But will the P2i coating actually work on the Poco X2 like it did on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, or fail like the damaged screen on the Redmi Note 8? So testing out the Corning tempered glass to see if there's a layer of oleophobic coating which helps the glass in getting less fingerprint smudges. This oleophobic coating is absent on some budget devices with pre-applied plastic screen protectors. But on the Poco X2, its presence is proved when you can see the water rolling off the surface in the form of droplets instead of lying flat on devices without the oleophobic coating. Some of you might remember that it was at this round during light splashing that the Redmi Note 8 had suffered damage to the display, which had gone blank and had failed the test. But it seems like the Poco X2 is doing okay and should progress towards the heavy drenching round. The Zenfone 5Z was another non-water resistant device which had ended up with a permanently damaged display. Devices with no water resistance can suffer from a wide variety of issues like blank displays for many hours or temporary screen flickering issues. Besides that, out of all the devices tested so far on the channel, the most common effect of water to be noticed was the sound distortion and low volume from the external speakers, which can last only for a few seconds on some devices but may last for several minutes or hours on other devices and can permanently damage the sound on the display unit. Though the question here is, will the Poco X2 be able to handle all the water abuse? Unlike the failed display unit on the Redmi Note 8, the P2i Water Resistance on the X2 has done a great job of fighting off any kind of liquid damage to the display, sound or camera unit. The Poco X2, also called as Redmi K30 in other places, passes my water test without breaking a sweat, and as expected of most devices, also manages a couple of seconds submerged totally underwater.